Discover the Bio Oil Skincare Body Oil, a dermatologist-recommended formula clinically proven to improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and uneven skin tone. Packed with natural oils like vitamin E, chamomile, and lavender, this body oil helps maintain healthy-looking skin and soothes with calming properties. Lock in essential hydration without clogging pores with this non-greasy formula, hydrating skin and retaining vital moisture for a radiant glow. Bio Oil Skincare Body Oil is planet and animal friendly, being vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, non-comedogenic, and 100% recyclable. Formulated for all skin types, this oil softens skin for various tones and textures, safe for use on both face and body without clogging pores. Enhance your skincare routine with Bio Oil, a versatile solution for improving the overall condition and appearance of your skin. Experience the benefits of this vitamin E-enriched serum, perfect for reducing the visibility of scars, stretch marks, and maintaining skin hydration. Embrace healthier-looking skin with Bio Oil, a trusted skincare oil suitable for all skin types, tones, and textures, providing essential nourishment and care.